We also have the text to image. So this is basically an image generator. So if you want to generate a realistic picture of somebody, all you need to do is describe how you want the image to look like: the hair, the color of the dress or cloth or top, how the person looks like, their skin tone, things like that, just details. And this description is called prompts. This is what most AI tools use to generate what you want them to do. So in order to generate prompts, you can use ChatGPT, Bing AI. There are so many tools you can use to generate prompts. I have so many tutorials on how to generate prompts using ChatGPT, but if you need me to do that specifically, I'll do that for you. But basically, go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you describing exactly what you want. You paste that prompt in the image generator and it will generate 4 different variations of the image, and if you're not satisfied with it, you ask it to generate another one. And to have access to this, you have to, in the CapCut app, click down on this expand button and go to text to image, and then here you need to delete this prompt and paste the prompt you generated from ChatGPT or anything you used, or any platform you use basically. So now I'm going to paste it here. So in this prompt I said generate an image of a bald man in his 40s sitting at a modern office desk with a surprised expression on his face. He's wearing a business suit and he's touching his head with one hand. I mean, basically, I asked ChatGPT to generate this and it generated it for me. So you just click on generate and wait for the pictures that it's going to generate. It generated a bald man in his office, suited up and stuff like that. So you see how precise it is. My only downside is that it looks really cartoony. Like, it looks like it's AI generated. It does not really look as real as I would want it to be. But for now, it works. And you can always click on regenerate if you don't like what it generated for you. 1 free use will be deducted. You have 2 free use left. You will only be reminded this time. So basically, I only have 2 free use and I've used 1, so 1 is left. Should I use up this next one? I think I can. Okay, but I don't want to. So there are more things you haven't discovered in CapCut that I'll show you. So make sure you subscribe, like, and stay notified. Bye. Share this video, please.